Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're comparing two impressive smartphone stabilizers, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Both of these gimbals offer unique features designed to enhance your filming experience. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is priced at $109. Making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking to get into smartphone videography. On the other hand, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro comes in at $169, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. If you're on a tight budget, the hohem might be the way to go. But if you want cutting-edge technology, the Insta360 could be worth the investment. Both gimbals offer impressive features, but they cater to different needs. The hohem iSteady Mobile Plus boasts an ultra-wide angle mode and a magnetic fill light, allowing for creative filming in various lighting conditions. In contrast, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro shines with its AI-powered tracking capabilities, including active zoom tracking and a built-in tripod/selfie stick. Depending on your filming style, one may suit you better than the other. Battery life is crucial for any videographer. The hohem iSteady Mobile Plus offers an impressive 13 hours of battery life, which can also serve as a power bank for your devices. Meanwhile, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro provides a respectable 10 hours of battery life. If you plan to shoot for extended periods, the hohem's longer battery life may be a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with great features, the hohem is an excellent choice. However, if you want advanced AI tracking and a compact design, the Insta360 is worth considering. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.